how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. Know I got you forever wherever I go. I feel like I'm high. Oh, and I wouldn't change the way you got me jumping through hoops. All the wishes in the world and I wish for you. I feel like I'm dying. Oh, and I found heaven in your eyes. Tell me it's all mine, holding on too tight. You're like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me, like I'm all you ever gonna need. Seeing colors that I've never seen. I love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Wired in the moments like I'm walking on air, tripping over roses every time that you're there. I'm losing my mind. Oh, and I'm hot over the moon, you know that you got me good. I'm not even mad, I need you more than I should. I feel like I'm dying. Oh, and I found heaven in your eyes. Tell me it's all mine, holding on too tight. You're like a neon sign in a starless night, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me, like I'm all you ever gonna need. Seeing colors that I've never seen. I love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Found heaven in your eyes. You're like a neon sign, showing up so bright. Can't get over how you talk to me, like I'm all you ever gonna need. Seeing colors that I've never seen. I love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Like you do. Love me, always you. Yeah, you love me, yeah, you love me. Electric, electric. I love it chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. I won't pretend I ever found my way. I've made my healthy share of fair mistakes, still learning the give and the take. But I'm seeing everything through brand new eyes, taking in the world through different light. Thought I wasted all my life, but I think I changed my mind. Yeah, I think I changed my mind. I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. I won't profess I've got it figured out. I know I'm only getting started now, still learning the ups and the downs. But I'm seeing everything through brand new eyes, taking in the world through different light. Thought I wasted all my life, but I think I changed my mind. I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. Chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen.
On the street, I'm just smiling big at everybody. 2 more blocks and I'll be at your door. Overcome, brother, nothing keeps me melancholy. Spread my wings, so damn ready to soar. And there couldn't be a better taste after everything I faced. I send a little luck my way, send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. A dream that I cannot erase, keep it in a little case. Oh. Truth be told, is I've never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light. In my head, deep inside of my mind, I love you in a way that has been hard to define. Let's go out, let's go dancing tonight. Adrenaline is pumping, engines up for the flight. And there couldn't be a better taste after everything I faced. I send a little luck my way, send a little bright sun ray to hit my skin. A dream that I cannot erase, keep it in a little case. Oh. Truth be told, is I've never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light. Truth be told, is I've never felt better. never felt better. And if I'm honest with myself, I am so glad we're together, because this new state of mind that I've struggled to find can now be shared with you, because you showed me the light.
Get a load of this, cause I'm about to quit. Your baggage exceeds my weight requirements, and I can't handle it. Your love is CrossFit. You got me flipping mental tires, jumping rope and shit. Feel like I tried hard, put in some good work, but in the end, the incidents today I diverse. My priorities, no longer your needs, and no more running back to me when you're lonely. Let's savor these last seconds. This 1, 2, 3, I'm gone. No more second guessing. This is moving on. I hope that you remember every moment, 'cause this is the last time we say goodbye. No more calling me up on your phone when you're feeling sad, you just wanna cry. This is the last time, so make it last. Goodbye. Wave goodbye now, no more self-doubt. Time to be an adult and shut the pain out. Nothing to see here, and let's just be clear. People always see themselves in the same mirrors. I gave you my heart, still I got hurt, and in the end I just pretend you carry no worth. My priorities, no longer your needs, and no more running back to me when you're lonely. So savor these last seconds. This 1, 2, 3, I'm gone. I hope that you remember every moment, 'cause this is the last time we say goodbye. No more calling me up on your phone when you're feeling sad, you just wanna cry. I hope that you remember every moment, 'cause this is the last time we say goodbye. No more calling me up on your phone when you're feeling sad, you just wanna cry. This is the last time, so make it last. Goodbye, no more second guessing. Goodbye, yeah, this is ending. Goodbye, no last. Goodbye. I hope that you remember every moment, 'cause this is the last time we say goodbye. No more calling me up on your phone when you're feeling sad, you just wanna cry. I hope that you remember every moment. This is the last time we say goodbye. No more calling me up on your phone. You're feeling sad, you just wanna cry. This is the last time, so make it last. Goodbye.